What's the best way to fully learn Amazon PPC from start to finish? I'm here to tell you very humbly, I still don't know Amazon PPC fully from start to finish. And by that, what I mean, I'm just being humble. Yes, I understand strategy. Yes, I understand the tactics, the tricks, the tips, the whatsoever it's being shared. And I'm going to try them out and I'm going to see if they work as advertised or not. But the thing is that when it comes down to Amazon PPC, really important for you, if you're asking this question, I'm assuming that you're at the beginning right now and you just want to grasp as much as possible when it comes down to how to feel empowered that you know how to apply Amazon ads. So I'm going to answer from that perspective. What is really important, what was really important for me 5 years ago, 6 years ago, when I started my journey in Amazon ads, it's not anymore the same thing that is important for me right now. It doesn't mean back then I did not fully understand and know and execute it when it comes down to ads. And right now in 2026, when I'm recording it does not mean that I don't still fully learn and fully understand Amazon ads. It simply means that the platform itself is changing so much that the biggest skill that you can have is adaptability. Any changes that come up, if you're self-managing your brand, both the brands that you're managing, if you're managing someone else's brand, achieve their goals. I define someone who learns the ins and outs of Amazon as it's someone who quickly can say, okay, so what is your goal and how are we going to get to that? Because 5 years ago when I started to, what is my goal? The goal was to increase revenue. I'm going to start this handful of automatic campaigns and they are going to work brilliantly for me. I don't even have to put in so much effort versus now in 2026, when I'm going to apply the same question, what is my goal? And again, to increase my market share and increase sales via Amazon ads. Now I'm going to strategize differently. So back to your questions when it comes down to fully learn Amazon PPC from start to finish. First off, you would need to understand the basics, fundamentals, how the bidding works, what are the critical things for your ads to show up, and then what are the critical things for you to get profitable sales or to increase the overall market share. So these are the three main things that you're going to learn. Those are fundamentals. But then you would need to understand how to connect those fundamentals with the what is my overall business goal. And that is going to be just a lot of learning based on the platform it's changing. And if you're not changing with it, it's going to be very hard for you to keep up. So everything is still on these three fundamentals that I talked about. And that is going to be how flexible you are with these three fundamentals, apply them to achieve the goal.